If I look there, is that the camera? Mm-hmm. Alright. We're gonna do an unboxing video for you today. We got... Oh, favorite store in the world, EB Games. Alright, we've got this guy. Star Wars drone. Look at the price. $48. They stuffed it up. I got it for cheaper. Alright. I did get one earlier. They're down to $65 on sale at the moment, but the speeder bike, the controller didn't work. It was broken, so I went and changed it over. They had the wrong price on it, so I got the discount. I'm using my iPhone opening it. Alright. So, what I do is open the box. Plastic on the outside. Now, I've had a bit of experience because I've already opened one before, but you guys are going to see what's in this box. It's good fun. Slide off the outside. Beautiful glossy boxing. Alright. Box of fun. First thing in the box is the training cage. Got a cage that goes on the bottom of the drone. And we've got... There's a warranty card in here too. Alright, we've got a controller. Very nice controller, very well weighted. Reminds me of a DJI controller, like just a basic Maverick controller, DJI Phantom controller, but just a little bit more awesome. Nice. Twang. Nice little feature here, barometer meter. You can pop that guy all the way up, and then you got free rein. Woo! Or click it back down and twang, 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 twang. Or you can slide it up a little bit and give yourself a little bit of leeway, a little bit of looseness there. But yeah, I like nice tight. All right. Next. Alright, batteries. Coolest looking battery ever. Okay, so this is the battery pack for the TIE Fighter. So that's the back of the ship. Batteries are flat pack in the back there. Cool. Charger. Very nice. And tray. AU plug. Set it up. So what you do is slide this little guy. Oh no, you don't. You put it in like this. Put it in top, and then slide it down. Yay, AU plug. That's nice. Actually, give you a plug. And what's next? Ooh, high performance battle drone. Let's leave that till last. Extra accessories. So they give you. This is freaking cool, man. Like, you got 2 full sets of extra wings just in case you break them. Really nice alloy tool for doing blades. And not 1, but 2 sets of extra blades. And extra screws. Like, seriously, that's fantastic. Alright, now, the piece de la resistance. I can't speak French. Alright, let's have a look. This is the TIE Fighter, so this is Darth Vader's personal TIE Fighter. Whoa. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? The drone's not bad looking either. Alright, I'm going to put a battery in it, fly around a bit, and we'll do more review. Peace.